Hello Numberblocks fans! Want to be a little naughty? Because today we're going to show you how to draw Octonaughty. All you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, a Sharpie, and some crayons, including 2 shades of pink, 1 light and 1 dark, 2 shades of green, 1 brown, and 1 black. So let's get started!
Kids Toy Box!
Let's begin by drawing a center line down the middle, and then drawing 4 blocks to the right and another 4 blocks on the left side, just like how you would draw Octoblock. Because octo means 8, and they both have 8 blocks. Next, draw 2 standing ovals for his eyes on the top row, 1 on each side, but closer to the center. Next, draw a rectangle over his eyes from end to end, which will serve as a guideline for his mask. Then draw his actual mask, which slightly arches over his eyes at the top and follows the shape of his eyes at the bottom. And just like Octoblock, Octonaughty has spikes too. So draw 4 spikes above his eyes, 2 on each side, and another 4 spikes below. Make sure they're peeking out from under his mask. Then draw inner ovals inside his 2 eyes and a diagonal line in both eyes going down to the center for his eyelids. Then draw a circle under his eyelid for his pupil and a smaller one for the reflection. Then draw a half circle for his mouth, slightly leaning towards the right. Trace an inner half circle for his lips. And draw a line across the top of his lips for his teeth. Add a curve for his tongue. Then draw 6 curved lines, 3 on each side, coming out from the middle of each row. These will be his arms. Add 2 curved lines at the bottom for his legs. Then you can draw out his arms. Make sure to make the ends a little bit wider. Add little circles on each arm for his suction cups. Then do the same for all his other arms. Now let's draw his legs. They're very similar to his arms, but make the bottoms flatter so they look like they're standing on the ground. The suction cups should face downwards. Now that we've drawn his general shape, we can finalize the lines. Make sure to slightly curve the corners of the blocks. Once we have the final drawing, we can trace it with a marker. Then use an eraser to erase the pencil lines. Then we can start coloring. Use a black crayon to color in the pupils of his eyes. Remember to leave the white spot for his reflection. Then use the brown crayon for his spikes, eyelids, and lips. After that, use a pink crayon to color over the brown crayon. Next, use the light green crayon to color the upper left edges of his mask, arms, and legs. Then use the darker green crayon to color in the rest. Now it's time to color the blocks. Use the lighter pink crayon to color the upper left edges of his blocks. Then use the darker pink crayon to color the rest. Next, use the black crayon to add shadows on the bottom right edges of the blocks, opposite the lighter shade of pink. Also on the lower right edges of his mask. Add shadows too on the inner and under parts of his arms. Shadows give our drawing a more 3-dimensional look. You can also add a shadow under his feet so it will make him look like he's standing on the ground. And of course, don't forget to draw his numberling. Once done, you can already stop here, or you can proceed to blending and smoothing out the colors with the use of a cotton bud. Just rub the tip over the colors to blend and smoothen them out. And there you have it! It's Octonaughty! If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up icon and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching! Bye!